across Rainforest Cafe.
Are you guys? Oh my gosh. Run towards the camera. Run towards the camera. Hit it. Like how you were going like this. Oh my god. It attacked Marco, aka Flocky. What's up, bro? When you go to Africa, so you're not dehydrated. Oh, what?
Boba.
Oh, boba.
Lychee boba.
Well, they have so much merch. Loves that. Pretend like you're Britney Spears. I'm a slave. Sick how? Christmas tree ornament. They have so much merch. I just can't believe it. Danny. Oh, that is so cute.
It is so cute.
What is that?
I have no idea. Spud Star. That's what it says. Spud. Candy, Harvey.
Oh.
Those are drugs.
Drugs.
Yeah.
Drugs.
Sour gummy bears.
Ready? Let's go. Okay. Bye bye. She's enclosed.
She's a diabetic. Oh my god. Free hair dryer. I'll open the door.
It's low.
Oh, never mind.
Why did she let everybody else?
Okay, tell us how that wind tunnel was. How did you feel inside?
I couldn't breathe in there. It was so much air.
So much air, wow.
Yeah.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I almost fainted.
Oh wow. Burn.
I can't believe they removed all the fish.
There's no fishes. Whoa, look at that. That's amazing. She's getting a princess hat. Happy late birthday. Wow, I wonder what it is. What do you think it is? We'll see. Wow. You have to stand up and wear it. Behind Marcos. Go now! Go now! Hurry, hurry, hurry! The world is waiting.
I have one more part to do.
Oh. Stand by. Whoa! Oh my god.
Alright.
Wow. Happy late birthday, Queen. Wow. Oh, so pretty.
Have a great night, you guys.
Thank you too.
you.
Twirl around a little bit. Wow. That's amazing. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Thank you. Have some.
What the fuck? That is so big. Like, put your hand next to it so people know the difference, like right here. Look at that, that's huge. And she's 4'11". With an attitude. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that was so good. How do you feel? Tired.
You're tired?
Me too.
Want something?
You've been craving mango?
Since yesterday.
Is that a mango hat on your head?
Yes.
Wow, she's finally getting her eHarmony mango.
Yeah, I kept,
That's
I
amazing.
had to look for it.
You're getting this one? With that one?
I really wanted a mango. No, it's just plain mango. I don't want nothing on it.
Just slices.
Yeah.
Well. Oh, we are.
We have so much fun.